First one was bad. Dang, kind of hard here when you're pivoting on the camera hand or the camera elbow. Oh! Perfect. What? Okay. See if I can move back a little bit. Maybe I'll get the full dirt bike. If you didn't hear, he said 2 days. It's not for long. But still, you know. Only took his dirt bike out not too long ago for the winter. Last one. He only took his dirt bike out for the winter, so missing 2 days of dirt bike without doing catwalks after the winter, you know, gets pretty bad. Try to do a catwalk down over it. Shit. I think I missed a shot. I think I missed a shot. See ya. Peace.